everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn how to use prepositions in flashcards. Let's get started. In. Where is the dog?
It's in the box.
Between. Where is the dog?
It's in between the box.
Behind. Where is the dog?
It's behind the box.
Below. Where is the dog?
It's below the box.
Above. Where is the dog?
It's above the box.
Under. Where is the dog?
It's under the box.
By. Where is the dog?
It's by the side of the box.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and always be watching our videos. See you later. Bye-bye.